and you make it happen. So thank you all for coming to the show.
Empty in the valley of your heart. The sun it rises slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the faults you left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You cannibal in meat eater, you see. I've seen the same, I know the shame in your defeat. Your neck and I find strength in pain, and I will change my ways, know my name as it's called again. And I'll take mine. Now let me hear the truth, which will refresh my broken mind. So tie me to a post and run my wheels. See where those orphans through my tears. Know my cold, despite my faults, despite my growing fear. It's cold again. So come out of your cave, walking on your hands, and see the world hang upside down, and understand the endless spring. Know their makers high. So make your sirens call, sing all you want. I will not hear what you have to say, 'cause I need freedom now, and I need to know how to live my life as it's meant to be. Come on, let's sing this now. Good night.